It's very ironic that nowadays there are still a lot of hair factories are trying to do the wrong things in this hair business. Recently, two factories sent me this type of hair, asked me to sell this hair under the name of raw hair. I say no way, because that would ruin my name with my customers. I rather to collect the raw hair, bulk hair, and to make into the bundles by myself. I would never sell this type of spot raw hair for my customers. You see this one. So let me teach you. I think I taught you guys like few years ago, but never mind, because maybe few people noticed that video on my YouTube channel. So let me to teach you again this very simple tip. You will notice this we call it fold hair. Fold, F-O-L-D, fold hair, because when we solve the web, we need to fold it first and to solve it, okay, to make it strong. But when you see this fold hair with many spots on the tip, it's not real raw hair. Remember these things. Understand, when you are looking for real raw hair in the market, in the US, in New York, in Dallas, in Florida, whatever, in Houston or in UK, in France, Germany, whatever, you pay attention to this. If you can see some spots, a lot of spots on the tip, on top of the head, that's not raw hair. But hair factories use technology and chemical to process this hair, to make this hair can bleach to light color. They say they can bleach to 613. 613, I know, yes, I know it well. It's just close to 613, but for a lot of ladies like you guys, you will not have problem. When you see this color, you will not have problem, but if you pay attention to how to detect the real raw hair, and you find some dust, some, you will see, like for example this one. Notice this one. This, I'm not sure if you can see it. So because I'm the insider of the hair business, as an insider, I always teach my fans how to find the raw hair. Some of my long-term fans, they always tell me that they see the hair hanging in the salon are not really good, not real good. It's because of the cost. Every cost is going high. The cost is going high, so some people cannot afford it. So they will buy in the markets. They listen to the stylists, or they listen to the sellers in their city, raw hair, because they like to listen to the good name raw hair, so they accept it. They never think. So that's why I say it's very hard to educate them, to explain to them. Only few people want to learn. So remember these things. This real raw hair, you will compare on the tip, on the fold hair end, on the tip of the fold hair end, you will not see the spots. You will not see the spots. So compare, you will see it very obvious, very obvious. But never mind, in the video maybe you cannot see clearly, but when you receive the hair, the raw hair from, you just check. If you can see a lot of spots, actually you just compare the cost. If this cost is much lower than the other vendor, you need to think why. So it's very ironic. This is I think this is very old trick, but still some hair factories are still using this old trick. Anyway, because like I always explain to you, new generations will come. If as parents don't teach their kids earlier, again, because new generations will not know this, so it's still like apply to the market. Another things I already explained to you, this one. Now is technology. It's technology industry. This is a synthetic. Synthetic fibers can also bleach color now. Color 2, color 4, color 6, color 8 can also bleach color now. So you see, it's very ironic. That's why now we as me for long term try to do the right things, try to help more and more people. I'm not only focused on selling hair now. I'm offering more services to teach people. If you find my channel, you are really lucky. You can learn a lot of things for free. I share. And if you want to do big, if you want to find a partner like in China, in Hong Kong, to guarantee you get real things, that's me. I can help you. And if you are looking for real things for your personal use or for family, your lovers, that's me. I can help you. But if you are trying to make fast money, how to make fast money? If you want to compete in under the table, use technology, that's not me. I cannot help because I'm not good at it. It's not real. So color synthetic I have the contacts. They also try to sell synthetic fiber to me, say they can bleach color. I have the contacts, but I cannot show screenshot because I don't want, because of this, I don't want to make enemies. I just tell you, synthetic can dye color nowadays, high technology from Korea, from some country. Because in China, they still don't have this technology. It's from another country. That's they import the fiber and put in the factory to make into wigs or extension. So I can only tell you this. I hope you can understand. I cannot screenshot like something like that. I can only tell you this because because one day, I still remember one day, one of my clients sent me the prices, asked me why this price from other vendors is much cheaper. I say go try them. But only thing is you want to do the right things. If you also want to do the wrong things, then you will not have problem. Like you try them, you want to after you bleach the color, you still can feel it's like real, authentic. You can feel the keratin, real keratin. But this is like rubber. It's rough, a little bit rough. Even the synthetic can dye color, but after you dye it or bleach it, you will feel it still feel unreal, like rubber. But it can color. What you can say? You cannot say anything because you say even you fire it. You remember I share a video. You remember I share a video to fire the synthetic. It stick together, but that's very high copy synthetic. After you fire it, it looks like ash, like human hair. It looks like ash, like human hair. So now you cannot detect it if you are not very professional. If you are not very professional. So you understand me? The spot here, all the way around spot. Some vendors are selling under the name of raw hair. No spot. But very hard I can, because some lady asked me to make some videos. I say yes, it's a kind of new things. You haven't watched me on YouTube, so let me try to say hello to you and share some free things with you also. Synthetic, so it's better. I think it's better. Even you come to China, you go to Southeast country like Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines. You need to pay attention to something. Like last week, one lady orders many bundles with me, and she kind of not understand the processed or unprocessed raw hair. And in China, we have a name in Chinese. Let me teach you. In Chinese, we call one raw hair, but it's already processed raw hair, like 焗油. In Chinese, we say 焗油. Okay, listen carefully. Call it 焗油. It's also cut directly from the donor. But before they cut directly from the donor, that lady already color and do a lot of process on their head. But yes, it's cut directly from the donor. That cost is much cheaper. But since it's processed already, you cannot bleach the color very well. Some are very black color, some are there, you can say brown or other color. But you can use those hair to do balayage. You can use those hair to do balayage hair extension. Because for balayage hair, you don't need to bleach all the hair pieces into 613. You don't need to do that. It's different shades of color. It's different shades of color. That's one. Those ladies, those buyers think they are raw hair. But for us as an insider of the industry, we know it very well. Not many vendors are going to share with you this, because everyone is going to sell cheap, and everyone is going to sell fast. So, I don't like it, because actually it's also because I don't have energy. To be honest, I don't have energy. I don't have I don't like that way. I'm not good at compete in that way. So I rather focus on the very simple things. One, quality raw hair. Okay, you can color, you can bleach. Not like 焗油, not like 焗油. You need to calculate a lot. So sometimes it's kind of frustrating, but anyway, I love to share. So remember that now I share another name with you. 焗油, also very good, but cheaper price, but it's already processed. And some ladies, they think it's good raw hair. It's good raw hair. You understand? 焗油, cheaper price, also good quality. Some ladies think it's very good quality, and even they keep buying for long time. Only you don't need to bleach the whole bundle, like very light color. Remember, that's very useful. What do you want to know more? Let me know. I will share with you in the next video.